You may already know, but oftentimes one of the first impressions that a prospect has for your business is your website. It might be your social media, any other thing, but oftentimes it's your website. And sometimes people are searching for your services and they're not able to find your website because the SEO is not set up properly. Or when they get to the website, it's just not captivating. It doesn't get their attention. And there are many factors involved in this. The look of it, the feel, the way that they navigate through it, how quickly it loads, and the content that's actually on the website. All of that plays a role in your prospects finding your website, and when they get to your website, actually engaging with it. And there's some other things we can talk about later on. But specifically, this video is going to talk about how to use Hydra AI to write the content for your website, for the entire website, pretty much the home page, the about page, your services, and any other things. And you can have blogs and all that kind of stuff. But that's what this video is about, is how to write the content for your website in literally just a few minutes. You ready? Let's get started. All right, so writing the content for your website, we're going to end up going down here to brand website, where you see my mouse down here, brand website. We're going to go there in just a minute. But before you do the brand website, the things that you need to have in place is your brand positioning, which is the page we're on right here. And we've already done brand positioning for this particular business. This is a made-up business, by the way, Arizona Firearms Instruction. And you can see what we've done here for this particular brand. And there's a prior video already posted on this, so you can go look for that. Or at the end of this video, I'll just go ahead and post the link in the card so you can go see how to do your brand positioning for your business. The other thing you need is your at least one product or service. In this case, we set up one product or service. There's another video again that shows how to do that, set up your products and services in Hydra AI, and how quickly and how amazing it is. Once you have those two things done, then all you have to do is come down here to brand website and go ahead and select if you want to do the home page, about page, products and service and review, and another products and service detail. I'm going to go ahead and click on all. Now you can use any tone of voice. You can use Ryan Reynolds, Professional Millennial, Will Smith. There's a couple others in here. Or you can type out whatever you want. Let's say, for instance, we want to use Mad Max. Now, all we did was just click one button. We literally just put the tone of voice and we clicked one button. And since we already have the brand positioning and the products in here, it came up with this content here. It starts with the name of the business, and then a headline here that says, "Train like a warrior with real life warriors. Capes are for the weak." I love that. And the premise of this is because many of the instructors that are part of this business are former military and former police officers. So these are real life warriors. Now it breaks it down here. Every year, countless mishaps occur due to reckless firearm handling, so on and so forth. You can pause and read through this, but this has been written, and it even has here, download the free checklist. Why is that there? It's there because I've already put in the content over here that I want to create a lead magnet, and the lead magnet is a checklist of things that a prospect needs to know about owning a firearm. And that is how we're capturing leads. And it's got everything else here too. Steady, calm, prepared. It's got the content, and all we got to do is take this information and put it over here and go to our sites over here and create our website. You can do it right here within Hydra Business Suite. But let's continue on. Let's go to the next. And what it did next was it generated the about page. So you can read through this. If this isn't accurate about your business, once you create the branding and the product and service, then you can change it right here. In fact, you can even click on here, and when you go to highlight any of these areas and you say, for instance, our mission is to share knowledge with you. We offer comprehensive training courses. If you don't like the word comprehensive, you just highlight that word, and you can have AI write a different, let's say, improve and rewrite this, or shorten this, or expand this. Let's improve and rewrite it, see what it comes up with. So you can see that it changed that. And you can do that with this whole thing, or you can just go ahead and start typing in here and make any changes or additions. But once you're happy with this part here, and remember, using ChatGPT is about a 70-75% solution. Using Hydra AI, because the prompts are already written in here, it's about a 90% solution, even a 95% solution. But you may have to come in and put in some more personal stuff that AI wouldn't really know about. Once you're happy with this area here, go ahead and click next. It's going to go to the next section. You're going to select a product. We've only got one product in here. We're going to go ahead and generate the product overview. And there you go. Pretty self-explanatory. Let's go ahead and we'll just delete that part there. Click on next. And if we'll go ahead and generate this here too using the same product. You may have multiple products and services within your business. But one marketing pro tip is, well, we're writing this for your website, so all of your products and services should be mentioned on your website. If you're doing a marketing campaign and a squeeze page for the marketing campaign, then you only want to market one service at a time to a specific group of people. So you can pause and read through this and see what it came up with. I'm not going to do that here on this video. But again, if you didn't like this for your particular business and your particular website, then all you got to do is change it. Make some updates there. And now here we are. We got the finished product. We click on done. And now once we go back into our content history, you'll see that we now have the website builder here. And we've got all the content right here for this particular website, to include the buttons to download the free checklist. It tells you where to put the buttons at. The About page is a whole different page. So now that we have this content written out for the website, all we have to do is come over here to Sites, go to Website. You can also do funnels if you're just going to do a sales campaign and a sales funnel. Come over here to Sites, and then you can either create a new website, start from blank, or what I recommend is start from a template. Under templates, you have literally hundreds of templates. You can continuously keep loading here. You can do a refined search by coming over here and selecting a specific industry. Let's say, for instance, we want to look at something that might be close to this is coaching and consulting, something like that. And you can just continue coming through here and looking at all of these different templates. Just a tip on selecting any one of these templates. You really just want to look more closer to a color scheme that you're looking for and maybe a layout. I have selected automotive over here because it's kind of close to the colors that you would see, or I would expect to see on most firearms type business websites. So just for the sake of time, I'm just going to select this first one here. We'll take a look at it. Give me an idea of what's going on here, because I can change the images and I can change some of these icons. So what I'd want to do is go ahead and just continue and use this one. Now that we've got the website loaded in here and we've got the content built into the AI tool, all we got to do is basically just copy and paste that content right in here into the site. Obviously we would change this background image here, so in that case we would look in here, see what we have. We just happen to have some firearm stuff in here. Might want to just go ahead and throw this one in here just for the fun of it. Give you an idea, we could put the logo in here, see if we have a logo that's posted in here that might make sense. We don't really have anything at this point, but if we had a logo, we could put a logo in there. Let's just put that one there just for the heck of it. You can see the logos can go in there, and you just copy and paste that content that we saw in the AI tool. Obviously change some of these other images And this is really it. It's just drag and drop and just use the content and add. I would add videos of or images of your team in here, of your range, or whatever the case may be for your business. Alternatively, if you don't want to do this part, we've got team members that can go ahead and use the content in the AI tool. And once you get that information, we have our team standing by that can go ahead and build this website out for you. And it makes it so much easier when they already have this content built right into the system. All they got to do is come in here and grab this. They can get your brand colors from here, get your brand information, your pain points. All this information can be used to build out your website and build out any marketing campaigns that you want done for you. So, as usual, I hope this video has been helpful for you. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this. Make a comment. Tell us what you thought about it. And we greatly appreciate what you do as a small business owner. We greatly appreciate what you do for your community, and we look forward to talking with you soon. Take care.